Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to log out from Facebook Messenger on Android device. Let's begin our video. First, you need to open your Messenger app. So if you check your Messenger, so go to your profile icon. And if you check the option, but there you can see there have no option for logout in Messenger. There you can see if you check, so what should you do? You just need to go your phone settings. And then you need to scroll down, and after scroll down you can see option application and permission. Tap on application and permissions, and then in application and permissions tap on app manager. Okay guys, now you need to find out Messenger. Then you can see your Messenger app. Tap on Messenger app, and here you can see option internal storage. Tap on internal storage, and here you can see the clear data option. Tap on clear data option and clear all data. So clean all data, then you need to select OK. After that, now you can open your Messenger. You need to wait and see. So just you can see they have no option. It's your Messenger already deleted, or your Messenger already logged out. In this way you can log out from Facebook Messenger on Android device. So this was a process by which you can log out from Facebook Messenger on Android device. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.